today we're going to do some slime. This is me, this is Fuqua, and this is Kate. So you see this slime? It's not really clear because it's kind of the same color as the cup, as you can see there. So we're going to show you the ingredients first. Stop it! Okay, so we're going to show the ingredients first for this.
The ingredients that we have is
We're gonna have
shampoo.
We're going to have shampoo. Any kind of shampoo, just make it slimy and stuff. This is Pola shampoo. It's kind of like
Thick.
form. So, the other way around.
Baby
head to toe shampoo from Johnson's. And John Player Special. It's just really weird. So I think we're going to continue in our cup. Should we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, no. I think continue in the lid.
Fine. Okay, she's going to put... So you want a mixture stick? Okay, just get a real container, not just this plate. Old plate. So you can use a
And
plate.
then you can use a plate or any other container, and then use something for you to.
We're just going to use.
Some stencil.
So first we're going to put in the shampoo.
Shampoo.
Just going to put in a bit. So you see it sliding down there. Come on. Come on, mister. So you can see that.
Leave it in the fridge.
Put just the amount you want your slime be a bit slimy, and the amount, like how your slime is going to be thicker about it. Next we're going to put our form from Pola shampoo. Just going to put a bit.
So the meaning that we're making slime is that to clean your technologies.
No! That's ewy.
That's the mean. That's what.
No! You're... Right. Now, Johnson's head to toe. Kate, would you please get that? So, really, last night, Kate had a sleepover with me, so we were talking about slime, and we decided to make it.
I want to start.
Fine, you start. Sorry about that. We're kind of in technical difficulties. So what you need to do, because most of the videos say that you have to put it in the freezer 20 minutes. We tried that, but then it froze. So I guess
put it in
we
the
could put
freezer
around
for 5 minutes
as the maximum. Okay. So yeah. You go wash that first. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Let me show you my slime that I made with Kate. Would you please bring the straw? This
Here,
is
show it with your hands.
fine. Just
Right. See? I want to get it out. I want to get it out.
I don't know. So
It's like that.
it's so slimy. I'm not sure. See,
Yeah.
it's kind of soapy because we used a lot of.
But
Just
then,
put it back.
like, it can melt. So the good thing is that keep it in the fridge. Every time you're done playing with it, or not, it's gonna just melt out, and then it's gonna be spoiled, and you're gonna waste all your soap. So last night we did it, and we wasted a lot of glue and soap. So we found out these ideas. Maybe we can.
Would
It's
you
like
please
how-
go keep stuff?
How would even ice goes, like, like.
What time is it? What time is it?
And this one, you can also make a bubble out of it.
Okay. 5 minutes. 4 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. So you could use any kind of shampoo. Just make it like slimy and icky. For example, really the thing that made this thing slimy really is the John Player thing. It's bath and shower gel. Oh. So yeah, we're in Thailand if you don't know. And yeah, I live in Thailand, she lives in Thailand, except our moms educate us to go in an English way. She is half England, half Thai, half Japanese, actually quarter Japanese, quarter Chinese, quarter Thai and quarter American. So much of stuff. Is it done yet? Okay. And would you mind keeping the stuff? I'll explain about.
I hate you. All you want to do is be in the camera.
So you guys could write the recipe like we did. We only made this up because like we saw so many videos and we're like, oh, should we use that? Should we use that? Should we use that? And we're like, fine, we're gonna use that and stuff. So yeah, you gotta freeze it. Yeah. And so yeah. Is the slime okay?
Not yet time. So, I don't know.
Not yet. So yeah. Do you want a little tour around the bottom floor?
So, if
Okay, wait. We'll tour this place.
don't
So
need-
right now, fine. Okay.
So, if you wanted to put color in your slime, it's okay. But then,
We
please
don't
put,
have food coloring.
and we don't have nature color. But then I would be like, if you don't want it to be, you don't want to have like any other like, you know, chemical in it. You don't want chemical in it. Please use nature color. It's actually really easy to
Like
make.
in Thailand,
We will be making a video of how to make natural color. Right?
No.
Yes, that
No.
was my plan. So I hope
It's our
you.
first video.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. And while we're
We're gonna have to show the slime first. You do this. So Is
so
it done
this
yet?
is the slime. It's quite ooey.
Wait. It's not done yet. Oh my gosh. You're gonna end the video now?
Here, just gonna let you see our slime when it's done like this.
It's just kind of frozen. Yeah, it's kind of cool how we actually not really invented, but guessed how which shampoo we want. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It smells like really good. At first, it smells like apple.
Okay, so it depends on which shampoo and stuff you use for the smell. So yeah, if you're gonna really, don't you dare pour it on my head.
May salami.
Yeah, she knows how to speak in Thai. I know how to speak in Thai, and we understand Thai.
May salami. Oh, why?
Technical difficulties.
Ew.
Is it done yet? Wait, how long does it take? Okay, it's done. It's done. So you can see this.
That's not.
Oh my gosh, that is so weird.
Technically, half of the slime fall out.
Sorry, we gotta go.